Welcome, welcome to Breedy 360. Subscribe if you like, but if you like, subscribe. Woo!
Welcome to Breedy 360. This is the crossing of the Chesapeake Bay Bridge in Queen Anne's County in Maryland. This is a 360 virtual reality video. Use your fingers to turn the camera in any direction. If you spin it around and look behind us, you'll see the cop that was about to pull Breedy 360 over. He probably saw the strange camera coming out of the top and wanted to know what it was. Thankfully, he kept driving and didn't bother us. As we drive, you can see the sun continue to rise over the Chesapeake Bay. It was a beautiful morning for a drive. The bridge spans the Chesapeake Bay, connecting Maryland's eastern and western shores. It is nearly 5 miles long. The Bay Bridge is 186 feet high at its highest point. The Bay Bridge is actually the William Preston Lane Jr. Memorial Bridge, named after former Maryland Governor William Preston Lane, Jr., who started its construction. The original bridge span was 4.3 miles long and was the world's longest continuous overwater steel structure. The original span opened in 1952, while the parallel span was added in 1973. It is one of the world's scariest bridges. According to Travel and Leisure magazine, drivers are notoriously afraid of this bridge, as it's subjected to frequent and often violent storms. And when the bad weather hits, forget about visibility. Get to the middle of this 5-mile-long bridge, and you can barely see land. Even though the Bay Bridge is one of the scariest bridges in the world, it has only been closed 4 times because of extreme weather. September 18, 2003 during Hurricane Isabel, August 27, 2011 for Hurricane Irene, October 29, 2012 for Hurricane Sandy, and on March 6, 2013 for the very windy March 2013 nor'easter. Ferries were the main source of transportation across the bay prior to the first span's construction. An annual 10K run across the bridge has been organized on and off since 1975. The bridge's economic impact on the areas it connects has been significant, with both Queen Anne's County and Ocean City expanding significantly since the bridge's construction. Future expansion of the bridge has been discussed since 2004, with a task force being formed to investigate the possibility of building a 3rd span. While there are no pedestrian facilities on the bridge, the Bay Bridge Walk and Governor's Bay Bridge Run used to afford an opportunity to cross the bridge on foot. Usually on the first Sunday in May, the events took place on the eastbound span, which was closed to vehicles, while 2-way traffic shared the westbound span. Participants started on the east end of the bridge, on Kent Island, and proceeded west to the finish near the toll plaza. WMATA and MTA transit buses transported participants between outlying parking areas and the start and finish points. The run, a 10K race across the bridge, is held early in the morning before the walk. It is conducted by the Annapolis Striders, a local running organization, and controlled by the MDTAs and Maryland Department of Natural Resources. Proceeds went to the Chesapeake Bay Trust in support of the Bay. The first walk was held in 1975, when a Tosin Boy Scout leader asked Governor Marvin Mandel if his troop could walk across the bridge during maintenance. Driving the bridge tunnel saves motorists a whopping 95 miles, or about 1.5 hours of road time when going between Virginia Beach and Wilmington, Delaware. The Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel's construction was funded by toll revenue bonds, and there is a $12 toll for using it today. In the 1990s, the above-water sections were expanded to 4 lanes at a toll-funded cost of about $200 million. Here's a true story about the Bay Bridge that a lot of people don't know about. After the bridge opened in July of 1952, some motorists didn't have the money on them to pay the toll to cross the bridge. It was common for motorists to offer personal items as security in lieu of paying the toll. Toll collectors accepted a wide variety of items, including spare tires, auto jacks, fountain pens, umbrellas, and watches, among other things. Then, twice a year, bids were accepted from junk dealers and second-hand shops. The winning bidder got the items, and their bid was used as reimbursement for the unpaid tolls. The Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel was selected by the American Society of Civil Engineers as one of the 7 engineering wonders of the modern world, in a worldwide competition that included more than 100 major projects. Following the bridge tunnel's opening on April 15, 1964, the ASCE choice was based on the unusual engineering features of the 7 projects, the utility to mankind, and the size. In addition, in 1965, the bridge tunnel was distinguished with the ASCE Award of the Outstanding Civil Engineering Achievement for that year. In January 2020, Governor Larry Hogan announced that the toll booths on the eastbound side of Bridge were being removed in preparation for all electronic tolling on the Kent Island side of the eastbound bridge. The merged lanes tie directly into the 2 lanes on the eastbound bridge. The MDT is replacing lane control signals on both bridges with those that have flashing strobe lights to indicate a lane closure or a lane with contraflow traffic, and is installing an automated gate system on the bridge to allow quicker implementation of 2-way traffic on the bridge. The automated gate system will reduce traffic congestion when implementing 2-way traffic. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been Breedy 360 crossing the Chesapeake Bay Bridge.